Hi, I am Dr. Unnati Shah, gynecologist from Malad, Mumbai. I have an experience of 25 years in OBGYN practice. I have my nursing home, Vatsalya Hospital at Malad, Mumbai. And I am honorary consultant at Gokulam Medical Center. Today, being part of Doctor's Kitchen Club, I am happy that we can share our hobbies with our fellow colleagues. I am thankful to USV for creating such a platform. So today my recipe is instant pan pizza, which is quick and healthy version of pizza. Let's get cooking. For making batter, 1 cup of soji, 1 cup of besan and half cup of rice flour. We had purposely not taken maida, which is not healthy option. And to mix with that, we need 1 cup of curd. So I am mixing all the ingredients and adding some buttermilk to make proper batter. We have to make a batter smooth, so we'll mix it well. Stirring is very important. Now the ingredients for toppings. I had taken finely chopped zucchinis, green capsicum, yellow and red bell pepper, some broccoli, some corn, and above all, fresh paneer to grate on it. So we'll mix, first of all, mix all the ingredients for toppings. Now I will add chili flakes, little oregano. You can use mixed herbs as well. Add little salt as per taste, and you can add little chaat masala to increase the flavor. And at last I will add little black pepper. And now we will mix all the ingredients properly, and little olive oil, and I'll marinate all these contents. Mix it properly, and we should marinate and put on pizzas because it will enhance the taste of the toppings. And I'll keep this mixed toppings for at least 10 minutes. So now in the batter, I will add salt according to the taste, and I will also add little ENO to make the batter fluffy. And then I will mix it. And now our healthy batter is ready. On a hot pan, I am spreading the batter evenly to make pizza base properly. So I will allow it to cook for some time. After a little bit of time, when it looks that it has been cooked, I will add pizza sauce. I had made it at home only, and I am evenly spreading on the whole pizza base. And now I am adding all vegetables which we have marinated properly, thoroughly, and then putting little oil so that it will get easily separated from the pan. And now I am grating paneer highly proteinaceous thing. And I will add little of mozzarella cheese so that it will be a nice taste for children as well. So I'll cover the lid and let it cook for some time. Can you see now our pizza is ready, and I'll take out of the pan and I'll take on the plate, and with the cutter I will cut the pizza into 4 pieces. And see, now mouth-watering pizza is ready.